Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools. Install Xcode and the Flutter SDK, then run Flutter Doctor to surface missing bits. Once done, open Xcode and accept the license so code signing works, and make sure your iPhone is unlocked and trusted when plugged in. You need a paid Apple developer account to deploy to a physical device long-term. However, you can run on device with a free account for development. This gets you ready to build and deploy from your Mac. Next, you configure the iOS project. Open iOS/runner. XC workspace in Xcode, pick a signing team, and change the bundle identifier to a unique value. Make sure the deployment target matches your iPhone iOS version so the app can install. Once set, either run Flutter build iOS and install with Xcode, or press product right arrow run in Xcode to build and deploy directly. You do this because Flutter creates an iOS wrapper. Xcode handles signing and device installation, so both steps are required. Finally, install and trust the app. After Xcode installs, open Settings on the iPhone, go to General right arrow Device Management, and trust your developer profile so the app can run. For iterative work, you'll prefer Flutter Run for hot reload. For performance testing, use Flutter Run Release. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Clean the build with Flutter Clean, restart Xcode, and revalidate certificates and provisioning profiles, because most failures are signing or provisioning mismatches and are fixable with those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.